Hi, for today's video, we're gonna solve another problem. If n squared minus 18 is equals to negative 3n, what is the value of n plus 2 squared? So the first thing we need to do is to find the value of n. So our solution is, we write this first into standard form. So we have n squared minus 18 is equals to negative 3n. In order to move this negative 3n to the other side, we apply the addition property of equality. So we add positive 3n both sides. This will be cancelled. So we have n squared plus 3n minus 18 is equals to 0. Next is we factor out this trinomial. So it will become like this. So the factor of n squared is n times n. And the factor of negative 18, and when you add is positive 3, is positive 6 and negative 3. Positive 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Positive 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3. So therefore the factor is n plus 6 and n minus 3. Then we equate the two terms, or the two, what do you call this? These two parentheses. So we have n plus 6 is equal to 0 and n minus 3 is equal to 0. After that, we apply the addition property of equality by adding negative 6 both sides. So the value of our n is negative 6. And the value of our other n, we add positive 3 both sides. So n is equals to positive 3. So therefore, the value of n is negative 6 and positive 3. Now we're looking for the value of n plus 2 squared. So we will substitute this negative 6 from this expression. So we have negative 6 plus 2 squared is equal to, negative 6 plus 2 squared is negative 4 squared, which equal to 16. Then the 3. So 3 plus 2 squared is equals to 5 squared, and 5 squared is equals to 25. So therefore, the value of n plus 2 squared is equal to 16 and 25.